Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down, without interruptions. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body. Warm up. Close your eyes gently. Imagine a serene place, perhaps imagine a calming beach or a peaceful garden. Feel the warmth of the sun and the gentle breeze. Deepening. As you breathe in, imagine inhaling positive energy. Feel this energy flowing through your body, relaxing every muscle. Exhale any tension or stress. Affirmations for understanding. Repeat after me. I grasp complex concepts with ease. My mind is clear, and I understand my study material effortlessly. Affirmations for contemplation. Visualize yourself studying with focus and joy. Affirm, I contemplate the information easily, enjoying the process of learning. Affirmations for remembering. Imagine a mental filing system. Affirm, I remember information easily. My memory is sharp and reliable. Affirmations for retaining. Picture yourself absorbing knowledge like a sponge. Repeat, I retain information effortlessly, ensuring a deep understanding. Affirmations for recalling. Visualize confidently answering exam questions. Affirm, I recall information easily and effortlessly during exams. Affirmations for reproducing. Envision yourself reproducing information flawlessly. Affirm, I reproduce what I've learned effortlessly, showcasing my knowledge. Conclusion. Feel a sense of confidence, congruence, and competence. As you open your eyes, know that you are fully capable and ready for exam success. Remember, practice this induction regularly for optimal results. Because repetition is the mother of skill.